Welcome to Ask 8 About Marketing, your daily source for simple, actionable insights on marketing, AI, and business growth. I'm Auggie Diaz. Today, we're talking hyperlocal lead funnels, practical steps to turn nearby searches into booked appointments. Quick hook. A local real estate agent told me last week she gets dozens of Google business profile views every day, but only 1 out of 10 people ever pick up the phone or book a call. That's intent leaking. People search with action in mind and drop off because the path to a conversation is clunky. Studies show local searches with transactional intent convert far higher when you remove friction. Today, I'll show you the 3 touchpoints that stop that leak and turn intent into appointments. Here's the promise. In the next 10 minutes, you'll get a repeatable 3-touch funnel you can build in a day. What to optimize on your Google business profile, an exact 2-field microform and placement options, and an AI-assisted SMS plus email follow-up sequence with scripts and timing, plus a short checklist for quick deployment and the 3 KPIs to watch first week. Let's get into it. Touchpoint 1. Google business profile and listing intent. Think of your GBP as the storefront where intent turns into action. People searching nearby expect clear signals, service keywords, a booking CTA, useful photos, and immediate answers to common questions. If you do just 3 things right, you win more conversations. First, headline and services. Put high-intent terms in your primary service and business description. For an agent, same-day showings, free home evaluations, neighborhood expertise. Don't keyword stuff. Match intent language. Second, booking CTA. Enable the booking button or set a clear call to action like book a 15-minute preview and link to your microform. Third, Q&A and posts. Answer the top 3 transactional questions in the Q&A and pin a post with a short booking link. Quick 30-second optimization checklist. Update your service keywords. Add 2-3 photos showing active listings or your office. Enable or link a booking CTA and add 1 pinned post with a microform link. Do that and your clicks start with a clearer path. Touchpoint 2. Capture with a microform. Long forms kill momentum. For local intent, you want 2 fields, name and best contact, phone or text. Optionally, add a single checkbox for consent if your provider needs it. Exact form copy that converts. Headline. Available for a quick preview. Subhead. Enter your name and best number. Will text options for today or tomorrow. Fields. Your name and best phone or text number, with a small consent line. By submitting, you agree to receive texts about your inquiry. Use placements that meet users where they already are. The booking button on GBP, a short link in your GBP messaging and posts, a simple local landing page for paid ads, and, importantly, a dedicated SMS shortcode or keyword so people can text a word like show to opt in and immediately enter the sequence. 2-field microforms raise completion rates dramatically because you remove decision friction. Touchpoint 3. AI-assisted SMS plus email follow-up. Timing and personalization matter more than volume. Here's a compact, high-impact cadence you can use. Send an immediate SMS within 30 seconds of form submit, a follow-up SMS at 15 minutes if no response, an email at 30 minutes, and an agent escalation call within an hour for warm replies. Sample immediate SMS. Use personalization tokens. Hi, first name. It's Audie from business name. Thanks for your interest. Can I text 2 times that work for a quick preview call today? Reply yes to confirm. If they reply yes, send great. I'll text 2 windows, 2 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. Reply with 2 or 4:30 to confirm. For no reply after 15 minutes, second SMS. Still available, first name? Quick check. Are evenings better? Reply 1 for today, 2 for tomorrow. Email copy should be short and mobile first. Subject line, quick options for a preview, first name, and body, 1 line thanking them, 2 suggested times, and a single click to call button. Use AI to personalize the time suggestions and to pull property or service details when available, but keep the language human and local. Reference neighborhood names or a nearby landmark if you can. Also include an escalation rule in your automation. If a contact indicates high intent or replies with a question, assign the lead to an agent for a live call within 60 minutes. This hybrid keeps automation efficient but preserves the human touch for warm prospects. Implementation checklist and what to track in week 1. Tech stack options: forms, Typeform Lite, JotForm 2-field landing, or a simple HTML microform on your site. SMS, Twilio, simple texting, or call rail conversations. Email, your CRM email tool or Mailgun. CRM, a lightweight system like HubSpot Free or Pipedrive to capture the lead and tag source. Wiring quickly. 1. Connect the microform to your CRM so name and phone write to a contact record and tag the source as GBP. 2. Trigger the SMS provider with a 30-second immediate message and the follow-up rules. 3. Use automations to send the email at 30 minutes and to escalate to an agent on positive replies. The 3 KPIs you must watch in week 1. Contact rate, percentage of leads who respond to first outreach. Appointment rate, percentage who book a preview call. And cost per booking, total spend on ads or listings divided by booked appointments. Measure those daily and run a simple A/B on one variable, like immediate SMS copy or the pinned post CTA, to see what moves contact rate fastest.
Sharp takeaway. Focus on one metric, contact rate. If you lift contact rate, you lift appointment rate almost automatically. The smallest change test that reliably moves that needle is the timing of the first outreach. Move your first SMS from 5 minutes to under 30 seconds and watch response rates climb. It's low risk, easy to implement, and measurable within a day.
A quick tactical nudge. Standardize your opening SMS to a single, clear question that invites a yes/no reply. Humans respond to simple prompts. Track responses per hour for the first 48 hours. That tells you if your timing and copy are working before you optimize more complex variables.
Recap. 3 touch points. Optimize your Google Business Profile for intent, capture with a 2-field microform, then run an AI-assisted SMS plus email sequence that escalates real prospects to agents quickly. Deploy the minimal tech stack I mentioned, watch contact rate, appointment rate, and cost per booking, and run the smallest change test. Move your first SMS to under 30 seconds and simplify the ask. You can build this in a day and start measuring results immediately. For templates, exact scripts, and a 1-page deployment checklist, visit the show site.
Thanks for listening, and as always, all the best to your success. Let's keep building your success.